Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishita, and if you are new here, I make a lot of videos about fashion, styling, lifestyle, budget-friendly recommendations, shopping hauls, literally everything that you need to know to up your fashion game. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notification. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my reviews about celebrity-owned brands जो Bollywood की popular celebrities है, उनकी जो brands launched है, I will be reviewing them. It includes Deepika, Padukone, Anushka Sharma, Virat Kohli, Ekta Kapoor, Sunny Leone. In fact, इसमें से ऐसी कई brands हैं जिनके बारे में मैं जानती भी नहीं थी, and I'm sure आप लोगों में से कई लोग होंगे who had no idea about these brands. So let's get right into it. Let's see how the pricing is it worth the money, how the quality is, and the final verdict. So the first brand is called All About You by Deepika Padukone, and it is exclusively available on e-commerce websites, especially Myntra. You will find a lot of their good collections. Talking about collection, it has a lot of variety. I actually genuinely like their designs quite a bit compared to a lot of other brands that I'm going to talk about shortly. The one dress that I picked out was this black smocked dress. The MRP for this was 2000 rupees, but on Myntra I got it at a 60% off for 799. Now, do I think it's worth it? Not so much, because the material is completely polyester, and you can find something very similar in other brands such as Trendyol, Abof, Tokyo Talkies at like half the price, like 499 you will find something. In fact, I have shown similar dresses in my previous also, so do check them out. They were cheaper than this. Just because it has a celebrity quotient attached to it, maybe the prices are slightly higher. But I will say that it does have a good collection. I have also picked up a maroon shirt long time back from All About You. So I'm going to put a video or a snippet of that shirt somewhere on the screen. That was definitely worth it. This doesn't have its own standalone website, so you will have to purchase it from either Myntra or Ajio or Flipkart or places like that. If I had to rate it out of 10, I would give this a 6 on 10. Just this dress I'm talking about. I also picked out another top that I'm going to quickly change into. This is a teal sweetheart neck top. Talking about the fabric quality, it's not that great. Again, polyester, also slightly transparent, but since the color is dark, it's not very see-through. My final verdict on All About You by Deepika Padukone is that they do have designs and collections that are trendy, fashionable and feminine, but only if you get it at a great discounted price. I would suggest only then go for it. The next brand is called Nush by Anushka Sharma, and I am extremely disappointed with this brand. It's available only on Myntra, and I think I read somewhere कि Anushka Sharma ने Myntra को hand over कर दिया है brand completely, so I don't even think she sort of takes ownership or care of it anymore, but I'm not too sure about that. You guys can check it on the internet. But the collection was so limited and the designs were just like so purane zamane ka, matlab kuch bhi design hai. Like, I don't understand this top at all. First of all, it has some weird floral print on the green thing, which is so fine that you can't even see it. Secondly, I don't understand the use of the belt in this design for this top. The puff sleeves with, it just doesn't fit together at all. And the worst part is it's priced at 1400 rupees, 1399, which I think is exorbitant for this kind of a top. You can get something like this. I honestly haven't even seen such a design, so I don't know what to say where you can get it, but it's overpriced, really not worth the price, and the design is just like not cool at all. I wouldn't wear it personally, and I wouldn't recommend you guys to wear it. The entire collection in itself is not very eye-pleasing at all. The dresses are very geometrically printed, and it's just not a cool, trendy design collection. This brand I'm pretty sure I'm not going to recommend to any of you guys. I really hope she would have put in a little more effort and a little more designs into this brand. I think it really did have a lot of potential given the fan following Anushka Sharma has. This celebrity's brand is honestly one of my favorites. It's called House of Pataudi, owned by Saif Ali Khan and Soha Ali Khan, who are brothers and sisters. I honestly love all their designs. If you've been watching my ethnic hauls or any kurta set hauls, you will always see House of Pataudi featured in that haul, because first of all, the quality is amazing, and the price that you can get it for is just brilliant. This suit that I'm wearing, it's a floral printed kurta set. It's like a 3-piece set, dupatta, pants and the kurta. And the MRP for this was 3499, but on Myntra and usually any other e-commerce website, you will find it easily at a 50 to 60% off. So I got this for 1574 rupees only, which I think is totally worth it. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you think paying 1500 rupees for an entire set like this is worth it or not. There's also a men's collection which usually features Saif Ali Khan quite a bit. So if you are someone who has a brother or a boyfriend or anyone who might be wanting to buy something traditional in the men's category, you would find something in that too. Otherwise, for Diwali, any sort of celebratory functions, House of Pataudi has great collections, and I would 100% recommend it to you guys. House of Pataudi also keeps footwear, and I think they also keep some accessories, so do check that out. Of course, what I'm wearing, I'm going to link that down below for you guys. The next brand, I didn't know it existed. I had no idea Sunny Leone actually owns a cosmetic makeup brand. It's called StarStruck by Sunny Leone, and I picked out a lipstick. I really liked the shade of this lipstick. It's called Baby Doll. No surprises there. And the shade is a lot like the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, which is super trending and viral at the moment. In fact, I reviewed it in one of my videos. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. And honestly, it's very creamy. In fact, I'm wearing it right now and it's very creamy. I think it's long lasting as well. I haven't tested it the whole day, but while applying it, it was very smooth and very nice. It had a lot of shades. In fact, it also had a lot of other products like eyeshadow. I think it also had highlighter, blushes, but I picked out this nude creamy lipstick. It's a great dupe, like I said, for the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, which actually cost 3000 rupees, but this one costs only 799. I got this on Myntra, but it also has its own website. The brand has its own website where you can shop for whichever products that you want, but I feel like Myntra or Ajio or Flipkart or places like this will give you some discount that can make your shopping much reasonable and cheaper. The packaging of this lipstick is also very premium. It feels very premium. It is a matte black colored cover. If you shake it, it feels like there's something broken, so I'm not really sure because the lipstick, you know, comes out properly and goes in, so I'm not really sure if something's broken, but to look at, it's actually very premium looking. I would rate this lipstick an 8.5 on 10 only because I don't know how long lasting it is right now, but maybe I will pin it down in the comments down below after wearing it for the whole day. This brand has to be my favorite of the lot. This is HRX by Hritik Roshan, and I'm sure a lot of us girls are huge fans of him. I definitely am, and I love this brand not just because of that, but it is just such a good athleisure or a gym wear brand or an active wear brand. I'm wearing the tights as well as this top from HRX, and I've had this for years and years, so you might have spotted me wearing it much earlier in my content as well. Half, or actually more than half, of my activewear or gym wear clothes are from HRX. They're very reasonably priced. They look very nice and trendy, and you know, you feel like wearing it and you want to go to the gym wearing those. And the quality is also at par with, I'd say, Nike or Adidas at literally half the price, or maybe even less than half the price. I have another top that I just wanted to show you guys. This is a rapid dry top and it fits really well. I'm obviously going to wear it and show you as well. But if you are new to working out or new to going to the gym, 100% recommend try out HRX, start off with it. They also have sneakers and shoes and athleisure wear as well, like jackets and sweatshirts and joggers, not just gym wear. So definitely a brand that I would tell you guys to check out. They also have gym accessories if that is something that you're looking at a really affordable price. They also have their own website, so if you don't find something specific on Myntra or any of these e-commerce websites, you can always head over to their own website and order from there. But without a doubt, it is a 10 on 10 brand for me and you must try it out. The next brand is called Ek by Ekta Kapoor. Again, I didn't know that she had a brand of her own. If you guys knew, let me know in the comments down below. It is primarily and majorly a home decor brand, but now she's also started selling handcrafted jewelry and ethnic wear like the kurta that I'm wearing. And honestly, it is pure cotton and the fabric is 100% like cotton and very comfortable. You can shop for it directly on the website or on Myntra. I got this on Myntra for a discount of 40% off. So the MRP is 1599, but I got it only for 959 rupees. Talking about the packaging, it came in this cloth bag, which I really like. There was also a detail tag about what this block printed kurta is made of and about the indigo color because it is in a blue color. So there was an entire detail tag about it. I really like how this was sent to the customer. It just increases the experience of buying something. I also picked up a pendant from the brand, and again I really liked the packaging of it. It was a sun and moon pendant. It is gold plated and it was for 899 rupees or 849 rupees. I did find it a little expensive. I hope it doesn't rust and become brownish in color. So we'll see as we go, and of course I will update you guys with my final review. Again, like I said, I really like the packaging. It also has a description about sun and moon because it is a sun and moon pendant. I personally love golden jewelry, so I know this is going to go with a lot of my outfits. It's a very versatile pendant. A lot of this stuff is handcrafted by Indian artisans, and she is trying to promote, you know, Make in India and the Indian heritage and Indian wellness in general. So I would highly recommend you guys check this brand out. I really liked it and I was pleasantly surprised by it. So these were a few celebrity brands that I personally tried. Apart from these, there are a lot of celebrities like Virat Kohli who has his brand wrong, but it is men centric. They don't really make products for women, so I wasn't able to try that out, but I've heard good reviews about it, so you can give it a try. The second brand that I do want to talk to you guys about or share with you is Katrina Kaif's K Beauty. It is exclusively available on Nykaa, and I've again heard good reviews about some of their products. I have not personally tried these, so I can't really say anything. But Deepika also has a brand called 82 Degree East, which she just launched, and again it is a skincare brand. I've heard mixed reviews about it. She did do a huge influencer launch and an influencer campaign, but the reviews that I got for her products were not very great. And the last brand is Priyanka Chopra's, which is called Anomaly, and it's a hair care brand. Again, I'm yet to try these three brands, but when I do, you guys will be the first to hear my review about it. Do let me know in the comments down below if I missed out any brands and if you want me to try those out, or if in general do you want me to try out any other brands. Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.